In any business, the most important or the simplest thing is to maintain a list of your customers. Customers who have interacted with your business, have shown interest in your business, have done some business with you, or your potential customers. How do you integrate this list of your customers with Facebook advertising and make maximum use of it? Hello everyone, my name is Noori Imamuddin and welcome to another session of Noori's Narrative. In today's video, we are going to discuss custom audience and lookalike audience, two most important features of Facebook advertising. So let's understand the list of customers that come to your business. What are the details that you take from them? You will, of course, note down their names. Try to get their email IDs, their phone numbers. From this list, there will be a list of customers who have actually done business, like have purchased goods and services from you. Now these are your actual customers. Now there are some customers who have come time and again to you but have not done anything, have not done any business with you. You will have the data of these customers also. These are your prospect customers. Now coming to Facebook. It's a known fact that Facebook has all the data about all of us, all the users that are there on the platform. From obviously your name to from where do you come. Where are you settled? What do you do? Where do you work? Your demographics, your family history, what do you like? What are the kinds of posts that you interact? What are the kinds of posts that you do not like? Facebook has a database of all the users and it tracks all the users. So now we have to link the list of the customers that we have with the database of Facebook. Now about the actual customers that I've spoken about, in Facebook advertising language, they're called custom audience. You have the data of these audiences in terms of their username and their email IDs. What you have to do? You have to simply put this list into Facebook Business Manager. Once you start making your ads, once you start setting up your campaigns, the targeting has to be for this custom audience. While you're selecting your targeting, you have to select custom audience targeting so that Facebook can show all the ads to these list of customers. Now coming to the prospect or your future customers. In Facebook language, those are lookalike audience. Now lookalike audience, in my opinion, by far have been the most disruptive tool which any social media platform would have designed. Now what is a lookalike audience? Let's say, for instance, I am a target for a particular business. This business has my details like my username and my email ID. This business wants to target people like me and people like me. So people like me meaning what is my interest, what do I do, where do I come from, my family history, my background. What will the business do? The business will have, like me, hundreds of other customers who are their prospect or their future customers. When this data is fed into Facebook system or Facebook Business Manager, what will Facebook do? Facebook will match this data with the hundreds and thousands of users' data that is already there into the system. Make a similar profile like this, pull out the data and give you a much longer list to you to target your ads and campaigns to this audience. So let me simplify whatever I have just said. Okay, as I said that I am a target of a particular business. This business, let's say, is a perfume brand. For them, I am a perfect audience. I am their target audience. So I meaning, Noori meaning a particular age, coming from a particular demographics, interest in a particular area, similar work field. This brand is targeting people like me or profiles like me. Facebook has the data. So this business will feed in all the information or list of the customers into the particular segment of Business Manager, which is called a lookalike audience. What will Facebook do? Facebook will generate the data, match these profiles with the profiles that are already there in the system, pull out the data that exactly matches with this data and will show your campaigns, your ads to this set of clients. So to use custom audience and lookalike audience feature of Facebook advertising, it is very important for any business to maintain a list of database, to maintain the email IDs and username of the customers. Now, when I say database, if you have just 5 or 10 emails and then you want to feed it into Facebook and want to get some results, obviously it's not going to work, because just compare it with the data that Facebook has, billions of users. So to use this feature to the fullest, you have to have the database of a sizable amount. Now, keeping that in mind, maintain the list of the customers that you have, combine it with the Facebook advertising feature and use it wisely to your advantage. Thank you for watching my video. Bye for now. Don't forget to follow my social handles.